Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfers. So in this video I will show you how you can generate text to image unlimited, absolutely free of cost. So follow the step by step tutorial. So for generating text to image, you don't need any card, no payment, everything free, unlimited. So firstly go to one of your browser, and in the search bar you have to write Symphony Creative Studio, and then you will get this link. So click on the first link and you have to click on get started. So for now you have to sign up here. Click on sign up, and here you have to search mail. So go to this website. So from this website take one of the email and paste it here. Here write your password. So click on this box and sign up. So go to your mail, copy this QR code and paste it here. It has take some time. So after sign up you will website and you will get this interface. So here you can see this, there is 1000 credit, and for generating image you have to click on image, and you 0 credit required for image. So for generating image you don't need any credit, so it is absolutely free. So here I will write a prompt. So I have provide this prompt. So now I will generate the image. So click on this. So you can see these 4 images are generating. It will take a little bit time to generate images. So 1 image generated, 2 image generated, 3 image generated, and 4 image generated. If you want to download images, you have to click on the image and you will click on download. So you can see this, I have downloaded this image, I generated image successfully. So if you want to generate this type of images from absolutely free of cost, so follow the step by step tutorial and use this website. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.